Hi, it's me, Grimace, and here is the Grimace Shake. You should buy the Grimace Shake when it's that person's birthday. And I'm gonna try it right now. Yuck, 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 yuck. You see, the Grimace Shake kind of tastes like berry, and berry, and berry. Yuck, 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 yuck. And we like it. Let's celebrate Grimace's birthday together by singing the Happy Birthday Grimace song. Happy birthday, Grimace. Happy birthday, Grimace. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, Grimace. Happy birthday, Grimace. Happy birthday, Grimace. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, Grimace. Happy birthday, Grimace. Happy birthday, Grimace. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, Grimace. Happy birthday, Grimace. Happy birthday, Grimace. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, Grimace. Yeah. Go, 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 go. This time I have go, go, go. Go, 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 go. This time I have a straw. Go, 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 go. Celebrate a happy birthday to Grimace on June 14th. I want to say it again, June 14th. Right now, I'm drinking a shake. Go, 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 go. And remember, kids, if you drink the Grimace Shake, ask the employees for permission. Or else. Bye. Happy birthday, Grimace. Happy birthday, Grimace. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, Grimace. Yeah.